Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with me Puspa Vanilla. In this occasion, I will give a little explanation about Tajweed. Okay, understanding the science of Tajweed will make it easier for you to read the holy book of Alqur'an properly and correctly. For Muslim, reading the Quran properly and correctly is an obligation. Basically, reading the Quran must be correct and tartil, and must understand when we to stop and when to continue reading. Therefore, in order to be able to read the Quran properly, we must seriously study the science of Tajweed. Or you can also join the Tajweed class to learn with best tutor. Being able to read the Quran slowly and well, I will help you understand and reflect on the meaning of the Quranic recitation. Below, I will explain more about the laws of Tajweed and their example. Before that, we will discuss what does Tajweed mean. Okay, let's we discuss it. Definition of Tajweed. Tajweed is an Arabic term that literally means to do something beautifully or well. Tajweed comes from the word Jawadda. Tajweed also mean removing letters from their place by giving the proportion that exists in each letter. Broadly speaking, Tajweed is the study of how to pronounce the letter in the Holy Quran. So, what are the laws of Tajweed? Yes, the first is ruling of sukun and tanwin. For the first one is idhar. When a nun, this or the tanwin meet the letter of idhar, the way to read is clear and bright. This idhar letters are read clearly because the place where this letter come out is the mouth, in the subgauss or third. The letter is alif, ain, ghain, ha, kha, and ha. Example is fakudu minha haythu. Nun dimit ha. Bighafilin amma ta'malun. Nun dimit ain. Min ghairi. Min ghafurur rahim. Nun mati mit letter ghain. Anna Allah azizun hakim. And then kunu qiradatan khashiin. Tanwin mit the letter is kha. And then the second is iqlab. Iqlab is Quranic recitation law the occurs when a nun, this or a tanwin meet only one letter, namely the letter is ba. What? Namely the letter is ba. In this reading, the dead nun or tanwin is no longer read as a nun or tanwin and becomes the sound of the letter mim. The letter is ba. Only letter ba. Okay? The third is ikhfa hakiki. Ikhfa means disguise. This reading law applies when the dead nun or tanwin meet the letter of ikhfa. What it is? The letter is ta, to, jim, dal, zal, zai, sin, shin, sad, dad, fa, qaf, kaf. If it's mid the this letter, then the nun or tanwin must be read faintly or between the izhar reading and the idgham reading. The letter is the one ta and tha, jim, dal, zal, zai, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, dha, fa, qaf, kaf. The fourth is idgham bi gunnah. Idgham bi gunnah is when a deep nun or tanwin meet the letter of idgham bi gunnah. It's read with a buzz. Idgham means interesting and bi gunnah means buzzing. So the way to read is by interesting into one to the letters of idgham with a buzzing sound. The letters in one, ya and nun, mim and the last waw. For the last is idgham bila gunnah. When I did nun or tanwin meet the letter of idgham bila gunnah, it's reading by interesting but not buzzing. It is read by interesting but not buzzing. Idgham means interesting and bila gunnah means not buzzing. So, how to read it by interesting into one of the letter of idgham with a sound that is not buzzing? The letter only the two. One is lam and ra. The next ruling is the law of mim sukun. For the first one is ikhfa shafawi. Ikhfa shafawi, when a dead mim meet the letter ikhfa shafawi, it is read faintly. The trick is to disguise the sound of the dead mim by accompanying the buzz. Although the buzzing is not too clearly audible because the letter mim and b have the same exit place, namely two lips. The letter ikhfa shafawi is only one. The letter is the same as iklab, but the way of reading is not melt like iklab. The letter is ba. The second is idgham mimi. Idgham mimi is when a dead mim meet an idgham mimi letter. It reads one. There is only one letter of idgham mimi, which is the letter mim. So, idgham mimi is the meeting of two mim letters. The way to pronounce it is the same as pronunciation the mim bertasydid. This is because the mim tasydid is a combination of a dead mim and a alif mim. The letter is only one. It is mim. Mim. Mim only mim. The last is izhar shafawi. Izhar shafawi is when a dead mim meets the letter of izhar shafawi. It must still be read clearly even if the mouth is closed. There are many letters of syllabic izhar except for mim and ba, because these two letters belong to ikhfa syllabic and idgham mimi. The letters is alif, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zain, sin, shin, sad, dad, ta, ra, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, nun, waw, ha, ya. Rulings on mim tashdid and nun tashdid. When the mim is tashdid, and the nun is tashdid. They are pronounced with a sound. This is also called gunna. Gunna. This gunna is called gunna asliyah. In language, gunna means a buzzing sound, like sound that come from the nasal cavity, and there is no was of the thing at all. The way to read it linked to two harokat. The letters is mim tashdid and nun tashdid. Okay, that is for our discussion about Tajweed. I don't have much to say. I hope you find it useful, and I'm sorry for my mistake. Allahu a'lam bishawab. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.